Okay, so this is the homepage to my website. You can click here at any time to return back to it. We have a description of me, my major, my minor, a link to my resume, a link to my LinkedIn. Then we'll go here to my About Me page, which has a description of activities I'm involved in with links to those websites as well. Then we'll go to my resume here, which has a screenshot of it, and then a downloadable PDF version below. Then we'll go to my artifacts page, which has general description of instructional technology, what it is, what the class is about, and then 11 of the artifacts that I'm choosing to display in this ePortfolio. Descriptions of each one with a screenshot of what it will look like, and then a click to view, which will link you directly to the artifact itself. So this is my interactive timeline. Here's a screenshot of the timeline. We'll click here and it will link us to the actual timeline so that we can scroll at our own leisure. At the bottom, we have a description of the tool. Then we can go back to artifacts, look at this artifact, or go to the next artifact. Then I have my Mendomo concept map. Again, here's a screenshot of what it looks like. If we click here, it will link us to the actual map so we can see it in its broad scale. Then we go back here and we have a description. My next artifact is my Adobe Photoshop. So here is the image that I manipulated, and then at the bottom is a description. Next, I have my Canva infographic here. So here's a graphic and then my infographics right here, but we can also click here to see it in Canva itself, and then a description of the tool. Next, we have my Powtoon. So here is a screenshot of the Powtoon. You actually have to click here to watch it directly in the Powtoon website, and you'll just have to click play there, and then below that is my description. Next, I have my photo story using iMovie, so if we click here, it will actually play directly in my website, and then a picture of what it looked like as I was making it, and then a description of the tool below. Next is my iMovie trailer, so we have a graphic at the top, then again we can click here, play it directly in the website, and then a description below. Next, I have my screencasting tool. So we start with a graphic at the top, then again, we can play it directly in the website right there, and then a description of the tool below. Next, I have my TED Ed lesson. So we'll actually have a screenshot here and then click here to see the actual lesson itself, and we'll be able to do the lesson on the website. Then below that, we have a description of the tool. Next, I have my Audacity. So here is a graphic, and then my Audacity is right here, so we can click here and we'll be able to listen to the podcast in the website, and then here's a description of the tool. Next is my eMedia project, so I did it with Powtoon, so you're actually going to click here and it will link you to the actual video, which is in my Powtoon under Performance Issue, and then a description of the tool below, and then last is my contact